Good morning, everybody. It's bright and early, except it's not bright yet because it's too early. But we are leaving. We're headed back to Arkansas today, leaving Denver, Colorado, and we have to stop somewhere on the side of the road to get the brick launch up and running. I'm having the hardest time right now getting this girl out of bed. Any words, baby? Any reason you're not getting up out of bed? Huh?
It's 5:40. It's normally 4:40.
Come on.
I just want a minute to lay.
Let's go. We're gonna get home till midnight. Let's go. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Hustle, hustle, hustle. On the road again, y'all. On the road again.
Alright, guys. So, we are on the road. I am over here signing cards. We're going to do the keto brick launch tomorrow. Today, I mean. We're going to package them tomorrow. So we're signing all these cards. Doing it on the road. Robert's over there eating a brick.
Yeah, buddy. Gotta get my coconut.
Got there?
Coconut cream, baby. I don't know if that's going to focus.
Kind of too bright in here.
Too bright? Pretty good, though.
But coconut cream brick. Signing some cards. Good road trip.
Alright, y'all. We're taking a pit stop at a Starbucks / gas station to get some work done. Alright, y'all, we're sitting in this Starbucks. We just launched the keto bricks, and I'm working on editing a video right now for that to go live. It's been a great day, great trip thus far. What do you think, Crystal?
Super excited.
Don't you just love the way she looks in blue? She's so cute.
Aww, with my chapped lips and all.
Yeah. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna go for my 2-mile run now while we're waiting on this YouTube video to load. We're gonna get some Qdoba. Can we get Qdoba? There's a Qdoba restaurant right nearby, so we might go there after I run. Alright, y'all, I just got done running, ran my 2.5 miles, and Crystal's hungry, I'm hungry. Not really sure what I'm gonna get. There's a Jimmy John's close by, but I'm doing the meat and brick, so I might just eat that kielbasa sausage that we had, because I didn't eat that last night. And Crystal, what are you gonna have?
I'm gonna get an unwich.
Unwich? Alright.
Unwich for the win!
Yeah, buddy. Jimmy John's action. You ready?
So ready?
Let's do it. Alright, y'all, so we just left Jimmy John's. I got cheese. I got provolone cheese and bacon. And I'm going to put that on. I've got my kielbasa sausage here. And Crystal got
an Italian unwich. And I will have you know that this was only $2 more than Robert's bacon and cheese.
Yeah, when you don't get a full sandwich, they just don't know how to ring you up. Alright, y'all, this is the part in the ride, in the road trip, where Crystal and I are just like over it. We're over it. Isn't that right, baby?
Maybe if I had someone to talk to me, I wouldn't be so over it.
Haven't been able to talk to her because I've been working on emails on the computer. Just getting work done on the computer. But it's going to be a long day, so we're not supposed to get home until like 1 o'clock in the morning. I am tired of these super late road trips, but
we're going to try and break it up in the future.
Yes, we are. Alright, y'all, we're taking a pit stop. We got 4 hours or so left to go. We're going to swing by here at IHOP. Get something to eat. What'd you order, babe?
3 eggs and 4 pieces of bacon with cheese on top.
I got 10 eggs and 10 pieces of bacon, because I ain't scared.
I really wanted an omelet.
Yeah, they put flour in their omelets here. What?
Super annoying.
Yeah. Don't get an omelet or even scrambled eggs. I think they put the flour in the scrambled eggs too. So get your eggs over medium, over easy. Fried eggs all the way. We have our bacon and eggs, and I guess they didn't want to save plates because they put them all on different plates.
For 2 people. There's literally 4,
1, 2, 3, 4,
9,
5, 6.
9 plates.
Who would have thunk? I don't know. Alright, y'all, IHOP complete. I'm filled up, but service was pretty terrible. Restaurant wasn't clean at all. Nothing too fancy. Alright, y'all, it's 11:10 p.m. We have a slight change of plans here. Alright, so we opted to go to a Days Inn hotel since it's rainy, wet, and we are very tired. not quite the same caliber as the Gaylord Rockies hotel that we just came from, but it's a flat place for us to lay down for a few hours at least. All right, so basically we could have either kept driving and gotten home at like 2 a.m. or we could go to bed now and then wake up at 3 and head on in and drive the remaining 3.5 hours. Since we've been waking up at 3 a.m. anyways, we're just gonna do that because it's gonna be more in line with our normal sleep schedule. We're not getting as much sleep because we're going to bed later, but at least we're waking up at the same time. So tomorrow's gonna be a super busy day. I've got podcasts, client calls, and then we have to package all the bricks that we sold today. So it's gonna be a pretty crazy day, but I gotta love it. Crystal, come here for a second. We both just wanted to say real quick how appreciative we are for everybody that got a brick. We're super excited about the coconut cream bricks. We hope y'all like them. Yeah, we're tired and dreary right now, but know that we love y'all.
We're super grateful and super humbled by all of you guys purchasing our bricks.
That said, we'll see you tomorrow. Good night.